To make this soup, I'm going to start by searing off 3 mild Italian sausages. Now you can use mild or you can use hot, whichever one you prefer. You want to cook them on both sides just until they have a nice brown charred exterior. Once finished, set it aside and allow it to cool down. To my pot, I'm going in with some garlic infused coconut oil, and this is a product of Trinidad and Tobago. In goes some instant barley, and it must be instant. We're going to toast this barley until it's light brown. Next goes in some lentils, and this is a quick cooking lentil. It's not going to take very long to cook. Now if you have lentils that takes long to cook, you'll need to soak it ahead of time. I'm going in with some chopped onion. Mix that in, allow it to saute a minute. Some minced garlic. Mix that in and allow it to cook until tender. Next, I'm going in with some colored bell peppers and pimento peppers. Some chicken bouillon powder, and you're going to season this and put as much or as little as you want. You can always adjust it in the end. I'm not adding any additional salt. This is going to be my salt element in this dish. Next, go in with the sausage I chopped up. Just toss to combine. I'm going to go in with enough water to cover this so that those lentils and barley can cook and plump up. I'm going in with some carrots, and we're going to cook this until the lentils and the barley is cooked. Once that is properly cooked, the last thing you're going to do is add in your mushrooms. Just allow the mushrooms to cook for a minute, and then we'll finish it with some fresh chopped basil. Mix, taste, and adjust your salt accordingly, and then this soup is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple Italian soup recipe. If you make it, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!